Yeah, we didn't do the back end. We just did the middle. We cut the X pipe out, and the resonators will put a just pipe in their place. But his tips were all crooked and everything already. But he didn't want to. He's coming back, and we're going to change everything up for him in the back. That is so loud. Oh my God. Got really nice wheels on it too. What year is it? 13? 14. 2014 Challenger V6. True dual straight pipe. We're just too busy today, guys, as you guys can see, that we couldn't do an undercarriage. But we'll do a drive off. Hopefully he'll get on it. He said he's going to get on it. We'll see.